Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome back to my platform. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. I don't want to waste time in introduction. In this video, I come across this video and it really saddens my heart the way Nigerians abroad behave because of the things that they have not seen before. I'm going to play this video for you to listen to. I don't want to talk too much, but one thing I want to correct here in this lady saying she is laying curses on other people's children, protecting her child. No matter what a man does to you, no matter what anybody does to you, please do not lay a curse to children, because those children, they are innocent. They don't know anything that transpired between two of you. I am going to allow you to listen to it, to listen to the video by yourself, so that you will understand the area I'm coming from. If it is your first time of stopping by, please subscribe, put on your notification bell so that you will be able to know when I upload a new video. Thank you. For you.
Now me tell your ex-wife, say make you carry your children run away from you. Why you could be saying at me, you say you want to pay people for waiting you use your hand take cost for yourself. Why you could be saying at me, I'm my innocent baby, now you want to pay. You tell George, you know fear, you say make George collect my baby from my hands. They really carry the baby. Felice Ozidede, I know you before. The document where you want to say when me give you. Now you give me document. Now you give me document. Now you give me document. I be the house where you say when me give you. Now your papa for now your papa for grave. Now give me the house. I be now your mama for grave. Now give me the house. The house where you say when me put your name, when me remove my son name and put your son name, so that when you be the owner of my house, as if for waiting. How me go remove my son name and put your son name, say may you be my own, may you come be the owner of my house. Only you want. Now you go still carry friends. You go pack friends come my house. Without say you no go tell me. If me ask you, go begin call they threaten me with a Arubaga. Now say I go do you this. Now say you go do me that. Felice Ozidede, if I go not punish you today, if you not die today, my God, go take your children one by one. My God, your children, your 3 children, be 4 children, be now 5 children you get. They go bury them one by one this year. You go begin to bury them one by one this year. If you not bury one, if you not bury all your children this year, you go not say my name not be Kate. Me not be Kate. If you not bury your children this year, you go not say me not be Kate. You hear me so? You go not say my name not be Kate. If you not bury your children one by one this year, if those your 4 children not die, or be 5 children not die for your eye this year, you gonna say me, I don't be wicked. Shebi you sabi judge, you sabi defend, you sabi show, take, you see prove, I get this, I get that. You will be say, they even they find for Italy. You will be say, then the Italy they find you for the 21 prison, the 21 years in prison where you get for grant for Italy there. They even they find you for Italy. Now you call France, you can say na me, now you want to use this show for France. My dear, I go worry you till your grave. If you not go your grave, if they not bury you, I no go rest. I no go rest. For today go, I don't be your nightmare. I don't be your nightmare. Me, I don't become your dream. I go make sure say, you see this idiot, this mogo. Okay, they carry the baby come out from my hand. You see say now let me one. No be your blood. Ha! Now let me want bona. I still be your blood now. But you mumu rich. You mumu rich because of documents. Because of your documents. Because of 65 euros. I mean 66 euros. Where there they give the baby where be say the money even they reach me even take they buy pampers for a week. Now it make you say make government carry the baby. Say you better say where the baby there for government hand. That say the baby go there my hand. You see your life? And that baby, that innocent baby, that innocent baby, its tears go there your head. He go there your head. That innocent baby go worry you. He go also worry the children where you there born. All those your children go die one by one. That one there for government hand. Now government carry on, you don't go die. But your own children go die for your eye. All go die for your eye one by one. Better. See you dey pretend say na so you clean. Where you tell they carry they call even house where you not get where be say you know they pay house rent. You know they pay the light bill. You know they pay the gas bill. You know even they contribute anything for the house. I pick you for dustbin. I pick you like a junkie. Put you for my house. Bath you. Finish. Feed you. Finish. Because they waited to pay me back. Now government will take my blood away from me. You go suffer. You go suffer. You Felix, you go suffer. You see, say for that swear where the rest women don't swear for you. If they worry, you will be saying, oh, your body full of city like this. Wait, you carry HIV. Now so man. And the Nigerian man for that matter go even say you want bath. And the Nigerian man for that matter go say you want bath. He go carry water. Go they pour and put for body. Come out to use sponge. He go take bath. You know they use sponge. Since when me not Felix so the for since 1 year now, that man never use sponge. She take touch his body. He never bath with sponge. Now say go you enter bedroom, you go turn water put for body, go come up for bedroom. You carry towel, my white towel, take clean body. You like say my white towel, they go put her for erosion. They go just like they go dry erosion. You know they share for all those things. You know they share. Only you want your body full of sweetie. It be like person made the throw medicine give for your baba things where they do. But the one when me go do you now, you go pass that sweetie. HIV go enter you and you go die slowly. Better you go beg for that, you not go see. You go there for this world, you go suffer. You go suffer. You go even they beg God, say God I beg, take my life. God no go green. God, because he must allow you to suffer with you cause for yourself. You made them take away my 3 months old, my 2 months old baby. 2 months, just 2 months old. 2 months old. You said me, God, they take away from me. You see me? I blame myself. Way. I regret the reason why. The very first day I know you, if I see you for face, I swear, I don't care to even not go to that prison where you always want me to go. That prison where you always want me to go. I don't care not to not go. But your life, for today go a day danger. I blame myself. You see, say for the court, the judge even still they blame me. The judge they blame me. How can me open my eye and born for that kind man? When me not say the baby, if me born now, the baby not go stay with me. When me go born for this kind man, when me not say if me born for the baby, if me born the baby not go stay with me. This man like they take away my baby of 2 months old. What do you want give for all these things what you do? Because of documents. Now me want to give you document after 29 years in Europe. Land you not get for Africa. If you come on land you not get. Money bank you not get for Africa. If you house you not get for Africa. After 29 years in Europe, close it to 30. And how many age you day? How many age you dey? Not be 47. You want complete now. 47 old man. Now him say me they take away 2 months old baby. Government. They want me. Now what did the judge still tell me? Now me cause this thing for myself. You know why? Because why? When me take born that baby for hospital, when you take hospital, cause they make problem with me, say I not put your name for the baby. They go tell me say, may this baby for they save with me. May they carry me and the baby go for a year. They no say me get house. Me can say no, me not they go for a year. Okay, they can still reason and say me they were for France. Maybe not because say as I they when I make me say me no want for a year. Okay, they go still beg me, okay, they won't go rent one room and parlor for me when me day with my baby. I say no. Say I no agree because I don't already get my whole ass when me dey. I dey where they can't want me. Okay, they go leave this baby for you. In one condition. You know why? Because they see the way you take care of this baby. They see the way you take care of this baby. Because of this reason, they go allow me go my house with my baby. Because the man tell they say, may they collect this baby from my hand for hospital. May they not allow me come out with this baby for hospital. When they collect the baby from my hand, for the very day the baby was born, say may they collect her from my hand for hospital. They don't say hospital. They don't be that kind of bad people. They don't see anything, say I do anything bad. Where he go make they collect my baby. Now so they got to change my room. I don't know say information. This man don't give the information. They will lie. He said me no fit take care of my baby. Say me no go fit take care of my baby. Oh, say me they collect the baby from my hand for hospital. Why? Because of say I no put in name. He sent me voice record that very day. Promise me he with his useless brother where they call Peter for Nigeria. Peter was the way I see that go kill for Nigeria. Where that Peter, whether Peter be made, Peter was the they go die by accident for Nigeria there. That man no go pass. That your brother no go pass this year. Now accident go kill him. That one never do. I got surprised say they come meet me. They say they need to change my room. Now I ask they say why. They say they get why because why the way this man they behave, then they fear say make this man not call you this baby, make not call kid the innocent baby. Because the way the man push the baby made they just newborn. Baby will never reach 30 minutes where they born. If you see the way this man carry that baby, freak and throw away. If they drag. He carry baby for nurse hand. He push the baby away. He they drag paper for nurse hand. Say you want check on whether I name day, whether I name day. If they tell us say since not be name day, say me nurse go remove my son name. Not be say me not put in name now. Another man name I put my son name. Because why? The time I get belly, this man leave me. He abandoned me. After 8 months, I was born. This man got to come back. At that time, France don't reject and say then they're not working for their country. Again. Now I got to come back. I don't know say I document. Can I come back? Oh, now later, we got to do all those things. Now me tell us, I say, why you go to behave all these kind of things? You want to me to take this baby from my hand? Now you go to tell me say France not give her paper. Say France reject her. Say France ask her to come up for their country because they don't give her paper. He not get document. Now me tell France say me they not give you document. Now me tell you, may you they pack people come for the foyer where they put you. You they pack people from Italy they come. Say make them they pay you 50 euro. May where you they carry they come. You they collect money for people hands. And you want to say make the government give you document. As they want to give you the document. Where can be say you they do traffic some things for their country. He never do you. They call say when me come up for the room. They want to change my room. And really, they call really carry me come up for the room. I don't know say the room where they go put me camera there. I don't know say camera there for the room where they carry me go. So they can't need to ban this man. Say make him not come for hospital again. Or see me go come up for hospital. Make this man not come hospital again. Say if he come, if they fear, they go call police for him. Really? He go come. They not go grease and make him enter. They go drive him. He go back. The place where they put me, I don't know say camera deal. Now after a week, I spent almost about good week. Almost close to 2 weeks. Now me when they go for hospital, before hospital call release me to come out. They call me say when me come out with my baby. comot for hospital na that day me know say that room where they put me and my baby say camera dey there. I surprised say the oga their own manager for the hospital come by himself. Call they wish me well, they pray for me, they tell me say he pray say when me jama where you go fit join me take care of my baby. Say the father, say like the father of my baby is a very bad person. Say the man tell them say me no fit take care of my baby. Say me they collect the baby from my hand. He tell them say me no go fit take care of my baby. Say maybe they collect the baby from my hands. So because of say they don't get any proof when they want to collect the baby, now me they call carry me come this room. Now so the woman call take point and go up. He say when me look up. Now me call look. I see say camera did there. Now I say wow. So when I carry me, when I put me for where camera they since. So why? Now they call they explain to me. See the reason why. And the reason why they put me for that room, they don't monitor me, they don't investigate me. They see say me not be that kind of person